In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not downloading games. If you've been having trouble getting your games to download, don't worry. We're going to go through some troubleshooting steps that might just solve your problem. So let's dive right in and get Steam back on track for you. First, you'll want to open your Steam app. Click on the Steam icon, either from your desktop or by searching your start menu. Once you have the app open, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and click on the login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password and then click on sign in. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself at your Steam homepage. Now from your Steam homepage, you'll need to navigate to the settings. To do this, click on the Steam option at the top left of the window, then select the settings from the drop down menu. This will bring up a new window. In the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Downloads. Go ahead and click on that. Here's where we'll start making some important adjustments. The first thing you want to check is your download region. Simply choose the region closest to your actual location. This ensures you're connected to the most optimal Steam server for downloads. Next, go to the storage section and click on the three dots next to your library. Choose the option to repair library. This can help fix any potential issues with files related to game downloads. You'll return to the downloads panel for the next steps. You want to make sure that the option throttle downloads while streaming is turned off. This ensures your downloads aren't limited by streaming activities. Then scroll down and find the clear cache button. Clicking this will clear your download cache, which is a common cause of download problems. Confirm this action and then restart Steam to complete the process. If that didn't do the trick, let's try adjusting your firewall settings. Search for Windows Defender Firewall from your Windows menu. Within this menu, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Locate the Steam app in the list and click on Change Settings to ensure both private and public network options are checked for Steam. This ensures that Steam has the necessary permissions to download games. As a last resort, if none of the above works, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Steam app. This process can often fix deeper issues with the program that simpler adjustments might not address. This might seem like a drastic step, but it ensures you're starting with a clean and fresh installation, which could solve lingering issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any download issues you are experiencing with Steam. Happy gaming, everyone!